Where the snow falls deep, Gery the mountain cat has promised to keep. Through frostbitten nights and a winter's bite, he learned to claw through the pale moonlight. Obstacles tall as that old pine tree, he faced the storms with a wild heart free. A cold tucked tight in his weathered coat, to rule the countryside, that's what he wrote. Oh, Gery climbs where no man dares, through biting winds and icy stairs. The work is hard, but his heart won't quit. He grows with the tree side, that's what he wrote. Oh, Gery climbs where no man dares, through biting winds and icy stairs. The work is hard, but his heart won't quit. He grows with the frost, bit by bit. Love found him once down in the vale, a fleeting warmth, a tender tale. But disappointment carved its mark, so he turned his gaze back to the spark. Challenges rise with each dawnlit sky, but Gery won't stop, he never asks why. Frost in his fur and fire in his eyes, the mountain whispers, his spirit flies. Oh, 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 Gery climbs where no man dares, through biting winds and icy stairs. The work is hard, but his heart won't quit. He grows with the tree side, that's what he wrote. Oh, Gery climbs where no man dares, through biting winds and icy stairs.